Something just happened in Europe that most retail investors are going to completely underestimate. Ripple has quietly secured a live partnership with a regulated European bank, and this isn't a press release about future plans or testing phase. This bank is already live. And once you understand what kind of bank this is, why Europe matters right now, and what this tells us about where global finance is heading, you'll realise why stories like this are far more important than short-term price action. If you're only watching XRP's daily candles, you're missing the bigger picture. Let's break this down. If you're new here, my name is Milkshake May. I break down crypto, macro, and institutional adoption without the hype, so you can understand what's actually happening behind the scenes. If this sounds useful, subscribe, hit that like button, and let's get into it.
I am not a financial advisor. This video is based solely on my opinion on what I'm personally doing in this market. I also want to let you know that some of the links below and in the descriptions are affiliate links, meaning I may get a commission, but it will be at no extra cost to you. Please remember that under no circumstances will I ever contact you and ask you for investments. You can confirm all of my real social media handles in the description and also at milkshakematty.com. This content is for educational and entertainment only, and I'm not a financial advisor.
Ripple has partnered with Amina Bank, a fully regulated Swiss bank, making it the first European bank to go live with Ripple payments. This isn't a test. This isn't a trial. This is live infrastructure now. That distinction matters more than most people realise. Amina is regulated in Switzerland, focused on institutional clients, and known for bridging traditional finance and digital assets. Swiss banks do not rush decisions. They do not chase trends. They prioritise compliance, security, and reputation above everything else. So when a Swiss bank chooses Ripple's rails, that's not hype, that's validation. This story isn't about XRP price tomorrow. It's about payment infrastructure. Ripple Payments allows banks to move money across borders faster, reduce settlement times from days to minutes, slows operational costs, improves liquidity efficiency. Banks don't speculate. They solve problems. And Ripple is solving a very expensive one because of MiCA. Clear regulation gives institutions confidence, and confidence brings capital, and capital brings adoption. And this partnership tells us something critical. Banks are no longer waiting, they're integrating. Adoption doesn't look like a chart explosion. It looks like this. One bank will go live. That becomes a case study. Other banks quietly following the trend. Infrastructure is spreading before price reacts. This is how financial systems change. Slow, methodical, and irreversible. Now, a quick side note, because I know a lot of you watching are actively trading. If you're trading crypto, especially leverage trading, I personally use Blowfin. And here's why that matters to you. If you sign up using the link in my description, you're not just getting a standard account. You're getting enhanced deposit bonuses, enhanced trading volume bonuses, extra rewards for doing what you already do, trade crypto. Most people don't realize these bonuses stack after leverage, not before. Which means if you're an active trader, you can hit these levels far quicker than you even think. It's essentially free money on top of your existing trading activity. If you're already on Blowfin and didn't sign up with my link, you can also move over to me. Just message me your UID number and we'll get you sorted. Especially if you're in the Wolf Pack, you can direct message me. There's a link in the description to get these enhanced sign up and trading volume bonuses for Blowfin, link in the description. Right now, this partnership is focused on Ripple Payments, which can operate with fiat rails, stable coins like RLUSD or XRP as a bridge asset. The key takeaway isn't about which asset is used on day one. The key takeaway is the rails are live. The trust is established. The regulatory hurdle is now cleared. And liquidity optimization comes after adoption. Always. Utility assets move differently. Infrastructure first, usage second, price discovery last. Every regulated banking partnership strengthens Ripple's network, and it reduces institutional risk and makes future XRP usage more likely. This is boring money, and boring money moves the world. Now, for those of you watching this and thinking, I want to actually understand how to trade this market, not just guess, I've released my crypto liftoff course. And the important part is this: it's 100% free. No paywall, no upsell trap. Inside, I will break down for you my exact strategies of how I traded through multiple bear markets, how I approach bull runs without emotional decisions, the risk management that keeps you in the game. This is the same framework I've used for years. If you're serious about learning and not gambling, the link is in the description of this video. Zoom out for a second. Banks are integrating blockchain. Payments are being modernized. Regulation is catching up and infrastructure is being laid quietly. Ripple sits right in the middle of that shift. So no, this isn't a hype story. This is a structural shift happening in real time. A regulated European bank is now live on Ripple payments, and history shows us that once infrastructure is in place, everything else will follow. If you made it this far, thank you very much. Drop me a comment and let me know your thoughts on this. Are you as excited as me? Because I am excited. Subscribe to this channel if you want real analysis, not just noise. And remember this, the strength of the wolf is in the pack.